So I had a problem. Um, my latch is stuck. It would not come back up. This is Flex 2018. If I were to put this back and then set it back right up, this works just fine. Only problem with this is that if I pull the lever up, this goes down, and then I go up again. Oh, wow. I can't. Oh. I have a problem now. Okay. This never used to go back up. It was stuck to start with. And gosh, I thought I fixed this, and I think I ended up fixing it with me now in big trouble. When I bend this up, I should be able to bring the chair back up. Now the middle seat is stuck. Let me move this away. The middle side of the chair is stuck. I can't get it out. So what happened is, well, this is a good demonstration because I was just going to show you what I did to fix it. So I put this flathead screwdriver in the middle of the latch that was stuck. I had to push it down to release, and it fixed it. But now I have a problem because I have to get this back up until I hear it click. But I do not want to break this car. And wait a sec. Let me try to stop the video for a moment. Alright, so I just fixed it. So what I had to do was engage those two, pull this up together to move the chair to the front side. But the problem that I had was that this was in a stuck position like that. It wouldn't move. You see what I'm saying? And how I fixed it is by getting a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. I went right underneath that and pushed it down, and that's how I released it. You saw that? I'm gonna close it. I go under and push it up, and it does it. And I'm gonna bring it back. Put away my toolkit. I'm gonna put it back on. I can hear a click already, and then I should break this up, and this whole chair is no longer coming forward. It's fixed. Let me try this one more time. Move this up and move the level up and together. They both need to work together in order to work. But I don't have a camera holder. I don't have anybody to carry my camera, but I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to release both at the same time. It does release. And I go back and put it back in. Hear it click in. And put it right up. It's fixed. I hope that helps everybody.